You guys have been great. I want to thank you for all the years we've been coming on. You know, we were trying to figure out how many times have we played here. You know, and we really don't know, but it's been a lot. And you guys have been here every time and made it so special. So thank you so much. So I'm going to dedicate this to all of you from all of us.